Finding the roots of the quadratic equation. Finding the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. So what the question? 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So finding the roots of the quadratic equation, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So whenever the root is there, see, whenever the root is there, okay. So usually when they ask to find the roots of the quadratic equation, they don't give the easy question because it's very easy to do, right? From 9th, 8th, you are doing that. So at least it will have the roots, or you will have something like p and variables will be there, right? With the constants. So it will be like that. Okay. So how to find the roots of the quadratic equation? For these type of the question, see, there can be two types. One, having the root in the middle, or having the root on both the sides at the ends. That is for the x square term and the constant term, it can be there. So here the root is in the middle term. Correct. No, coefficient of x has the root. Okay. Now same thing. I have to factorize. So to factorize the middle term splitting, that is, first I have to multiply the x square term and the constant. So what you will get? 6x square you will get. 3x square into 2 is 6x square I will get. Okay. Now I have to split this 6x square. I have to split this so that I should get 2 root 6. Root 6 is there. So 2 root 6 I have to get. One thing, if I multiply, I'm getting plus term. That is, the addition of 2 terms should be the 2 root 6 I have to get. So 6 I can write it as root 6 into root 6. X into x. Root 6x into root 6x is 6x square I will get. Correct, no? But I need minus here. So what I will do, here this both I will take it as minus. Okay, both I will take it as minus. So what I will get? Minus root c is root 6x minus root 6x. If I add, what I will get? Minus 2 root 6x. If I multiply, I will get this. Okay. So now I can split into minus root 6x and minus root 6x. So here it is 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 will be there. So here x I can take common. What else I can take common here?
One should be minus and one of them.
Both should be minus.
But we need minus 2.
That's why, see, minus root 6 x minus root 6x will be what? Minus, both are minus here. So I will add the coefficient. Minus 1 is what? Minus 2. So I will get minus 2 root 6x. If I multiply minus into minus plus, so you will get this. Okay. So whenever you have the same root and the variables are also same variables, same power, then you can add and subtract. What you have to do, just add the coefficients. Minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 root 6x. Okay. So what here common, what term I can take it common here? So root 3 I can take common. If I take root 3, what else is remaining? So 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 if I take common. So what else is remaining? Another root 3x. And here Root 6, I can write it as root of 3 into 2 here. That is root 3 into root 2. So root 2 is remaining here, minus root 2. Here minus again here. If I take root 2 common, so what else see? Root 6, I can write it as root 3 into root 2. I will take root 2 common. What else is remaining? Root 3x. Here minus I have taken outside. So here it is minus. Minus into minus plus. And what else is remaining? Root 2. 2 I can write it as root 2 into root 2. So one root 2 I have taken outside. So remaining is the other root. So what I will get here? Root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus 2. Okay. So this is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 3x is equal to root 2. X is equal to root 2 by root 3. Or x is equal to root of 2 by 3. You will get the same roots, equal roots. So exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So the first means exercise 4.2, page number 44. Okay, so page number 44. So what is the first thing, the question they have given? X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. By factorization means what? You have to split the middle term and solve. You should not use the formula when they give factorization method if they ask. Okay. Do this now. So you have to multiply x square term and the constant and then split that such a way that the two terms, addition or subtraction, it should be the middle term. If you multiply them, you should get the multiplication factor like that. Okay. So x square and minus 10, if I multiply, I will get minus 10x square. Take the factors of minus 10x square such that minus is there. So 1 minus other plus, that is subtraction of two terms, you should get minus 3x. Understood, no? Again, I repeat, see, x square term and the constant, I am multiplying. Okay, listen. X square into minus 10 is minus 10x square. Okay, now I will take factors of minus 10x square such a way that subtraction of two numbers, I should get minus 3x. Minus 10x square is there. So if I split 5 and 2, difference is 3. So 5x and the 3x. And here the minus we need. So bigger number is minus, smaller number is plus. So you will get x square minus 5x plus 3x. Huh? 2. Okay, that. Telling 2 and I am writing. Okay. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Here x I will take common. It is x minus 5 plus 2. Here it is x minus 5. Okay. So you will get x minus 5 into x plus 2. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. We got. Second one. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, minus 6 into 2x square. What I will get? Minus 12x square. So, factors you have to take such a way that minus is there means 1 plus other minus. So, difference of two numbers should be 1. That is x you will get. What are the factors you got?
4 and 3.
Which is minus, which is plus?
3 is minus.
4 is plus, correct. So, while writing, you have to write 4x. This is minus 3x. Yeah, this is plus 4x. So, now 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So, 2x I will take common here. What else is remaining here? X plus 2. Here minus 3 if I take common, what else is remaining? X here plus 2. So we got x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. What are the roots you will get? Rohit, what are the roots you are getting for the second one?
Second one. Minus 2 and 3 root 2.
X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. So root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0 is the equation. So you have to find the factors, then the roots. So what we have to do first? Listen this one, sir, everyone. So root 2 x square term, whatever is there, and the constant I have to multiply. Okay. Root 2 x square into 5 root 2 is there. So root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Okay. Into x square into 5 is there. Again, I repeat. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So you will get it as 10x square. 5 2s are 10, 10x square you will get. Now, I have to take the factors. See here, you have doubt? See, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Always like that. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, root 5 into root 5 is 5. So root 2 into root 2 is 2 into x square into 5 is there. 5 2s are 10, 10x square you will get. Okay, this if I factorize, what I can do, I should get, if I add them, I should get 7x. So 5 and 2, I can take the factors 5x and 2x. See, 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square. If I multiply, I will get 10x square. If I add them, I will get the middle term, that is 7x. So I will take 5x and 2x. Okay. Now root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here, what I can take common, Netra, in this? X I can take common. Only x? Root 2 if I take there, it is there? No, x is correct. Only x I can take common. Because 5 is there. 5 I can write it as root 5 into root 5. Root 2 I will not get. So only common term is x. So if I take x common here, what else is remaining? Root 2x plus 5. Here what I can take common? Lakshay. Here what I can take common?
Root 2.
Root 2 I will take common. So what is remaining here?
Root 2x.
Root 2x. Y means 2 I can write it as root 2 into root 2. Right now 2x is there. No. Here. So root 2x into root 2 I can take. One root 2 I have taken outside. What else is remaining is root 2x. Plus. Here what is remaining? What I have to write in the bracket? 5 root 2 is 5 I will take. So it is equal to 0. So you will get x plus root 2 into root 2x plus 5. Okay. Now, what are the roots I will get? 1 x is equal to minus root 2. So what are the factors you will get? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2. Okay, another one. Now root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Fourth one. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So you have to factorize this. So first what we have, 1 by 8 fraction is there. So what we will try to do, first we will take the LCM here, try to simplify. then we will factorize the quadratic equation. So here LCM for 1 and 8 is what? 8. 8 is the LCM. LCM for 8, 1 and 1 is 8. Okay. So 8, 1 and 1, LCM is 8. Now 8 by 1, LCM by denominator. That is 8 by 1 is 8. This 8 will multiply with 2. So you will get 16x square minus 8 by 1 is what? 8. That you will multiply with minus x. That is minus 8x plus 8 by 8. LCM by the denominator, 8 by 8 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So that is equal to 0. So 8 into 0 is what? 0 here. So you will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Everyone got the answer? So what is the answer you will get here?
1 by 4.
So you will get 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. So 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. Here also x is equal to 1. Last one. Kiara, do this and tell me what are the factors you will get? 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0.
100x square minus 10x plus 1.
Minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. I have to take common here. 10x. So what else is remaining here? So 10x minus 1. Here I have to take minus 1 common so that I will get the same factors slowly. 10x minus 1. So I will get 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1. Okay. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, here also you will get same thing. X is equal to 1 by 10. So what type of the roots you are getting here? Equal roots. That means in the formula b square minus 4ac will be equal to c. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Find two numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay. So sum of the two numbers, it is 27. And listen this, because statement problems are the one which comes in the exam. Okay. So sum of two numbers, it is equal to 27. If one number, let the one number be x. Karthik, tell me what will be the second number now? Sum of two numbers is 27. One number I have taken x. What will be the other number? X minus 27. Sure. What about you, Netra? Next question. See, read again. Two numbers if I... Okay, y only. What is y equal to this? See, if now one number, if I take x, other y, I will get x plus y is 27, or y is what? 27 minus x, not x minus 27. So other number will be 27 minus x. Since it's a quadratic equation, we will have only one variable. Okay. So x and 27 minus x, and the product is 182. So two numbers are there. One is x, other is 27 minus x. So what is the product? It is equal to 182. So x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Solve for x. So what you will get here? 27 into x is 27x plus into minus minus x square is equal to 182. Okay, I will shift the LHS or transpose to the RHS. Why? I need minus x square to plus x square. So 182 plus x square minus 27x is equal to 0, or x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So what are the factors you will get? X minus 13, I think, no? This one. Into x plus 14 you are getting.
Both are minus.
Both are minus. Okay.
And I also get same minus. 13 and 14.
So x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 14. Yeah, if x is equal to 13, so other number will be 14, I think.
Yeah.
So y will be the other number is this. Or if you take x is equal to 14, you will get y is equal to 13. Anyway, you have to first specify like one number be x, other 27 minus x, some statements you have to write. At the end, don't forget to write the conclusion. That is, write the two numbers are 13 and 14. This conclusion be, let the numbers be x and x plus 1. Why we have taken x and x plus 1? Because they are consecutive numbers. One to the next. Just the next number is the consecutive number. So one is x, other one will be x plus 1. So what they have given, sum of whose squares is 365. You are adding the numbers, square of the numbers. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. This is x square plus a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So you will get x square plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x. So that is equal to 365. So what you will get here? 2x square plus 2x. Here 365, if I shift to this side, it 1 minus 365 is 364 is equal to 0. Now divide by 2. Do it, simplify. So what you will get? Divide by 2. Each term, when you are dividing, you have to divide each term also. So you will get x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now 182, take the factors of 182. Here minus 182 x square. Minus is there, 1 plus other minus, subtraction of two numbers, it should be plus x. That is plus 1. So take the factors of 182. 182 factors, what you will get? 2 and 91. 91 again, you try to split. So here 2 into 91, you will get 2 into 91. What you will get? You will get 13 into 7, no? So 7 2s are 14, 13 and 14 you will get x here. Here it is plus. So 14 is plus, this is minus. So you will get x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. X, if I take here, x plus 14 minus 13 here. So x plus 14. If you take minus outside, so inside it will change the sign. Here it is minus, it will become plus, because minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Okay. So x plus 14 into x minus 13. So you will get positive number. We will take the positive number. So we got the number as 13. The other number will be 14. So the numbers are 13 and 14. The numbers are 13 and 14. First thing, whenever they give the right angle triangle, many times it is the Pythagoras theorem what we have to use. Just check. Okay, most of the times it will be with that. So what they have given, the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. So what is hypotenuse? It is an length opposite to 90 degree, and it is the biggest length. So A, B, C, if I take here, AC is hypotenuse, that is equal to 13. Now, if I take base as x, the altitude of the right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So, if the base is x, then it is 7 less than this. So, it is x minus 7. Now, I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So, according to the Pythagoras theorem, what do you have? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay. So 13 square is what? 169. So this is x square plus, and this is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 7 square minus 2 into a into b. So 2x square, 7 square is 49, minus 14x. Now simplify. You got the answer? 12 you got. Correct. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0, because 169 I am shifting. Only the sign of that you should change. So minus 169 plus 49. 1 minus other plus, do the subtraction, put the sign of the bigger number. So it is minus 120. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. You can factorize this only. To simplify, I will divide by 2. Why I will divide by 2? Because each term I can divide by 2. That is possible. That's why I'm dividing. So I will get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. 60x square you will get. Minus 60x square. So minus means 1 plus other minus, subtraction of two numbers, it should be minus 7x. So 12 5s are 60. 12 minus 5 is 7. So this is minus and this is plus. So x minus 12 into x plus 5. So x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. And the side can be a positive number, right? Not a negative number. So x is equal to 12. And x is 12. So base is 12. So what will be x minus 7? So 12 minus 7, that is 5. So base is equal to 12 and altitude is equal to 5. And if you see, it is a triplet, right? 12, 5 and 13. Triplet you will get.
Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.